careful. Master loves this statue. It's so beautiful. Oh no, it's broken. I'll just cover it up. No one will know. Phew. Good as new.
Did you finish cleaning, Anne?
Yes! Yes! Super clean!
Let me see.
Don't touch it!
Why?
I'm sorry. I broke it. I covered it up to trick you.
The crack in the statue is small, but the crack in the mind from lying is huge.
I feel so much lighter now.
Truth may be imperfect, but it brings freedom.
A lie is the heaviest burden.
Subscribe for more honesty.